Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure the phone has power or remembered last charge, the SIM is active, and you know the last Wi-Fi network. Gather the IMEI or serial number now because you will need it for carrier or police reports. Next, check for built-in Find services besides Google, like iCloud for Apple or Samsung Find, so you can switch methods. Once done, grab a second device and sign into the appropriate non-Google service to continue. Now sign into the non-Google account tied to the device, iCloud, Samsung, or your OEM portal, and activate location or lost mode. This can lock the device and display a contact message. If that fails, call your mobile carrier with the IMEI to ask for network-based location, suspension, or blacklisting to prevent misuse. You can also check third-party tracking apps you previously installed and examine the last known IP or Wi-Fi. Finish by deciding recovery or containment. If you have a probable location, contact local police and give them the IMEI, recent locations, and account activity. They handle in-person recovery. If you cannot retrieve it, remotely lock and wipe the device via the OEM service to protect data. If the device is offline, don't panic. Retry periodically, ask the carrier to check historical tower data, and enable SIM swap alerts. One tip: if remote commands fail, keep trying and preserve timestamps for authorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.